Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are doing well. This is your maths class. Now open your maths countdown book 2. My dear students, in the third week of September, we will cover these following topics: subtraction, converting in ones, word problems. Subtraction. As you can see, here are two examples given. Look at the first example. Let's find out 69 minus 23. Now subtract ones first. 9 minus 3 is, we will subtract 3 from 9 and the answer is 6. Now tens. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Now we have 4 tens and 6 ones. So 69 minus 23 is equal to 46. Now another example, 54 minus 41. Let's subtract ones first. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Now tens column, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So we have 1 tens and 3 ones. 54 minus 41 is equal to 13. Now do exercise 1 on page number 41. Subtraction. Do you remember how to subtract with big numbers? Start with the ones, then subtract the tens. Word problem. There are 28 flowers in a basket. 16 are used for garland. How many are left? Let's find out. 28 minus 16. First we start ones. So 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. And now tens. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So 1 tens and 2 ones. 28 minus 16 is equal to 12. 12 flowers are left. Okay. Now do exercise 2 on page number 41. Use subtraction to answer these. Subtraction, converting ones. Let's look at the example. 52 minus 27 is equal to how much? Let's subtract ones first. 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7. Yes, student, we cannot subtract 7 ones from 2 ones, so we will borrow 1 tens from 10 columns. So 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. 2 become 12. 1 tens and 2 ones is equal to 12. Now we subtract 7 from 12. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Let's subtract tens column. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So we have 2 tens and 5 ones. So the number is 25. 52 minus 27 is equal to 25. Subtraction, converting ones. Help Tiger to do some. As you can see, here is another example for converting ones. 43 minus 26 is equal to how much? Let's subtract ones first. 3 minus 6. We cannot subtract 6 ones from 3 ones, so we will borrow 1 tens from 10 columns. 4 becomes 3 and 3 becomes 13. Now we can subtract 6 from 13 is equal to 7. Let's subtract tens column. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. We have 1 tens and 7 ones. So the number is 17. 43 minus 26 is equal to 17. Now subtraction converting ones. Do exercise 3 on page number 43 in your book. Do these sums carefully. Subtracting converting ones. 2. Exercise 4 on page number 44. Subtraction converting. Complete these sums converting where necessary. Complete these sums in your book. Now, what problem? Gibran had 32 toys. He gave away 17 to an orphanage. How many are left? 32 minus 17. Okay. 32 minus 17. First we start ones. Subtract ones first. 2 minus 7. We cannot subtract 7 from 2. So we will borrow 1 from tens. 3 become 2 and 2 becomes 12 is equal to 12. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Then subtract tens column. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So 15 toys are left. Now do exercise 5 on page number 44. Use subtraction to answer these. Complete this exercise in your book. Okay, my dear students. Now, let's wind up our weekly syllabus. We will meet soon, inshallah. Take care. Allah Hafiz.